Today we are going to install the new DRT Motorsports A pillar light brackets for Kawasaki Teryx H2. Install time for this item is around 15 minutes and can be installed by yourself and comes in at a difficulty level of beginner. You'll need the following tools for this project, so gather the tools and let's get started. Step 1. Remove front cage bolts. With a 17mm socket and drive ratchet, remove the two front cage bolts. Step 2. Install a pillar light brackets. Start by inserting the two supplied bolts into the bracket. Once the bolts are in place, slide one spacer onto each bolt. From there, begin hand threading the hardware to make sure everything is properly aligned before tightening. With the bracket fully positioned, use a 15mm socket and ratchet to fasten the bolts down until secure. Engineered to bolt directly to factory cage and frame mounting points, this system delivers a rock-solid foundation for heavy aftermarket lighting setups. Each bracket is CNC-formed from laser-cut, premium steel, gusseted, welded, and finished in a durable satin black powder coat for maximum off-road durability. The top plates support a wide range of leading light brands, and installation is 100% bolt on, no drilling or cutting required. With one side complete, you can repeat these steps for the opposite side. If you have any questions during the installation, feel free to contact us via phone or email. Our support team is here to help. To stay up to date on the latest DRT Motorsports products and events, be sure to subscribe and follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Own the dirt with DRT.